Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean up messy names in Excel using 3 super useful text functions: upper, lower, and proper. These are must-know tools, especially when you're dealing with name lists from different sources that just don't look right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to convert names to all caps, all lowercase, or capitalize the first letter of each name the proper way. So let's jump right in. I've already opened my Excel file. In column A, I have a list of names, but to take a look, some names are in lowercase, some are in all caps, and others are just random, very inconsistent. That's what we're going to fix using these 3 powerful functions. First, let's convert all names to uppercase. That means every single letter will be capital. I'll move to cell B2, which is right next to our first name in A2. Now, I'll type this formula, equals upper A2. What this does is take whatever is in A2 and convert all the letters to uppercase. Once I press Enter, you'll see the result immediately. The name is now in full capital letters. Now I'll use the fill handle, that's the small square at the bottom right of the cell, and drag it down to fill the formula for the rest of the names in the list. And just like that, all the names in column B are now in uppercase. Now, if I want to actually replace the original names in column A with these new uppercase ones, here's what I do. Step 1, select all the cells in column B with the converted names. Step 2, right-click and choose Copy. Step 3, go back to column A, right-click the first name, A2, and choose Paste Values. That's very important. Paste values, not regular paste, so that we're not copying the formulas, just the final text. Once that's done, the original names are updated. You can even delete column B now to tidy up. Now let's say we want to make all the names lowercase, maybe for formatting or matching. I'll go to cell B2 again, and type this formula, equals lower A2. Press Enter and drag the fill handle down as before. You'll see that all the names are now in small letters. You can follow the same copy and paste as values method to replace the original names if needed, just like we did with upper. Finally, let's make the names look proper. That means each first letter is capitalized. In cell B2, I'll type equals proper A2. Hit Enter and drag the fill handle down. And now the names look perfect. First name and last name both start with capital letters. Super clean, super professional. Again, just copy and paste values back into column A if you want to keep the results. And that's how you format names properly in Excel using just 3 functions. I hope this tutorial made things clear and easy for you. If you learned something new, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to Zimist Coded, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.